Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is Wednesday. What is it? Wednesday, November 1st. I can't believe it. We are exactly 3.5 weeks out from this home being ready. So it is a mad scramble. Behind me, you can see that the appliance installer is actually in front of the camera, if you can see him. We are madly working on getting the kitchen done. There's an electrician underneath the island. There's a plumber working over there. So it's a mad scramble to get this home completed so that we can move in. I'm really excited about how things are coming together. The painters have worked their asses off over the past couple of weeks. Our finishing contractor has busted his hump to get this all done. It's looking great. Let's take a look around and see where the other rooms are at. So you might wonder, how do the painters paint doors and make it all look good? This is how we do it. So they put a little L bracket on the top there, put two doors together, and all of our product pretty much always is spray finish. So the finish on these doors and the moldings, which I'll do a little zoom in on for you, is extremely smooth. It looks almost like cabinetry. It's phenomenal quality. Here's a close-up of what the finished trim work looks like once our painters have done their thing to it. It's exquisite. It is just absolutely beautifully smooth. I mean, I'm not doing any fancy camera angles here. Absolutely phenomenal. So this is the bar slash wine area. So there'll be a couple floating shelves here, wine bottle holders here, and a wine fridge right. I got to move around so the camera follows me right here. So this will be really cool once this is all done. Can't wait to show you the final result.